Local panhandlers may be impacted big time by tomorrow's City Council meeting. The Ashland City Council is reviewing and discussing two possible ordinances that would put new restrictions on street solicitation. The first ordinance up for consideration would make it illegal for panhandlers to ask someone for money if the person they are asking is in a car, seated at a downtown cafe, or within 20 feet of an ATM or bank. This does not specify whether or not signs would be considered solicitation, but does state that requests do not have to be made orally. The second ordinance up for consideration would prevent people from being able to place an object or animal or block people on a pedestrian passageway for more than 5 minutes. This does not include the delivery of merchandise or events where permits could be given. According to council communications, the ordinances were partially influenced by residents, tourists, visitors, and business owners complaining about aggressive panhandling and people blocking pathways.
Ashland really wouldn't exist if it weren't for our tourist industry. And as a business owner that deals directly with tourists that come to Ashland, what I've been hearing over and over and over again this past year is their concern over the home-free population and how they feel threatened. And one guest told me he felt like a walking ATM machine. They felt that there was just a lot of hostility and fear.
Some citizens are worried that these proposed ordinances may unfairly target the homeless.
There's a lot of targeting going on. I've noticed a lot. I mean, I work downtown and I see it all the time. I've known friends who have gotten jumped and the cops won't do anything about it. Actually, they'll go after the homeless people for it rather than actually the people who caused the issue.
Ultimately, the city does not have to make any decisions tomorrow night over this issue. Reporting from Ashland, this is Alexander Mesa. Back to you.